In this video, you are going to see how to set up the Insta360 camera right after unboxing, followed by how to connect the app on your mobile phone. This is a step-by-step guide on these two topics, so let's start. Right after powering on the Insta360, this is the menu you see. Here, select the language you prefer. To select the language, you can either touch the screen directly or use the buttons at the bottom, mostly the left side button, then click on the next option at the top right corner. In the next step, it asks you to download the Insta360 app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Now install the app on your mobile phone. You will also notice the name and password you need to enter on your mobile phone if in case it doesn't connect automatically. They are shown at the bottom of the screen. When it comes to the application, it's a very large file guys. As you can see here, the version I'm installing from the Play Store for Android is 1.41 GB. By the way, if you want to mount the Insta360 camera to your helmet in horizontal mode, you will need this L bracket followed by a J clamp to attach it to the helmet. I have already added the useful links for you in the description box and in the comments section. So go ahead and click those to purchase for your own helmet setup. Now the app is completely installed on my mobile phone. Let's continue the process. Right after opening the application, you need to log in with your Insta360 account or create a new one if you don't have one already. After successful login or account creation, give all the permissions it asks for on your screen. Next, it automatically scans for the device and shows the list here. As you can see, the Insta360 X5 is showing up successfully. Click on it to pair. After successful pairing, it asks for a few more permissions. Make sure you enable all of them. And finally, it shows activate the camera. Click on activate. That's it. You have now successfully connected the Insta360 to your mobile phone. While connected to the mobile phone, especially when using the application, the camera preview will be turned off by default to save power. If you want to see it, you can click the restore preview option at the bottom. That's it guys. That's pretty much it for connecting the Insta360 to the mobile phone application. Now coming to the settings and customization, I'll make a dedicated video for those who want to take their videos to the next level. I'll also show you how to customize the quick action buttons for faster recording in the coming videos. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon beside it so you never miss out on those videos. Don't forget to check the description box for useful and related video links. Thanks a lot. I'll see you again in another video.